Hi, how's it going? I harvested a whole bunch of flowers for a bunch of videos that we made for you. And now I am down to what's left. Yeah. Um, some people call it end of the bucket bouquets. Some people call it different things. It's what's left. These are the items that are left after I arranged everything else. And so we are going to make an arrangement with what's left. And typically, when I'm working with flower arranging, one of the things that happens is that I make things color based. And so as I use colors, then the other colors are left, and it kind of narrows it down. And I was looking at the bucket and I was like, well, I wonder what I'm going to make with what's left. And then I realized that everything that was left is all in the same color values. So that's kind of a little happy surprise, don't you think? I mean, I think that that's pretty wonderful. So I had grabbed a bunch of mint because the mint is just going crazy in the herb garden. And I love mint as a flower foliage, flower arranging foliage, because it smells good. And it's got really interesting structure. It lasts a long time. It's got the little blooms on it right now, which is fun too. And so I love this vase too, because I don't always need a lot of flowers when I have this vase. Okay. And so what I've done is I've split it. A lot of people talk about two-sided bouquets. That's kind of what we've got going on here. And I grabbed some astilbe pods, basically what's left of the astilbe in the garden, and they fell down in the bucket, so I didn't really realize it. So they were kind of submerged down inside there. So we are going to use those astilbe pods in the center of the bouquet. Then I have a couple pieces of hosta leaves that are down inside there. And then look at this. This is just a little bit of my hydrangea that I had left. So we're going to tuck him there. And we're going to tuck him here. And then I've just got some stems back here. I'm going to just use those for more structure inside there. Right? Look at the little celosia. This is a leftover from last week, actually. This is just one of the pieces that I had left from last week. And I think he should go right there. Okay? So what do you think? So far, so good, right? Right? And then we've got this cafe au lait dahlia. The one singular cafe au lait dahlia that Craig brought me this week, which is just fine with me. I'm going to go there. Okay. And what's interesting about this, I was 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers, 5, 6, 7. 7 flowers. 7 flowers that are from this, that are left. Okay. And so I'm going to cut this guy short, and he's going to go in here. So that's there. We're going to go here with this one. And we are going to go here with that one. Look at that. End of the bucket bouquet. How pretty. Right? And a sense of accomplishment. I had all those flowers and I made all those beautiful arrangements. And then the last one turns out just as pretty too, because a few flowers is still fabulous. I love this mint just being all wild in here. I love that. I just want to turn them all a little bit more so that they are doing something a little more interesting. Cries of Professional Glory. Make sure everybody, especially my hydrangeas, my dahlias, not so much my celosia. Now, seeing when I look at this from this side, I'm just going to adjust a couple things because you can. That's the rule. Okay. The one rule that you have is you can adjust everything wherever you put it. I'm going to like things better if I do it that way. Yep. This one's going to come out. It's going to go back here. I'm not being able to appreciate this pretty little hosta leaf. When you have fewer flowers, you can arrange a little bit more. I mean, you have to figure out exactly where everybody's going to be. I like that. Pretty, right? So end of the bucket. What's left? What's left, bouquet? All right. So I hope you enjoyed it. Send me your end of the bucket bouquets. I want to see what they look like. I want to see what you're doing with the couple flowers that are left. Getting real creative, making something fun. I want to see what's going on with that. So please send them to my email, j@ubloom.com. The letter J at U, the letter U, BLOOM.com. j@ubloom.com. Love to see what you're making. All right. Leave your comments on the side, and I hope you joined me for the live chat today. I hope we had fun with that, and we'll talk soon. All right. Until next time, keep having fun with flowers.